Indian police arrested 3 innocent Kashmiri youth in South Kashmir's Kulgam district. The police arrested the youth identified as Muhammad Abbas Waqe, Gohar Shafi Mir and Nisar Rahman Sheikh from a checkpost in Kulgam. The police labeled the arrested youth as members of a Mujahid organization to justify their illegal detention. Indian government continues to deny justice to the families of the victims of the Samjhauta Express terrorist attack despite availability of evidence even after the passage of 16 years to the horrific incident. A report released by the Kashmir Media Service said on this day in 2007, 68 persons, mostly Pakistanis, were killed in bomb blast in Samjhauta Express. Bombs were planted by Hindutva terrorists with connivance of the Indian secret agencies. Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government's settler colonial project has started taking its practical shape as Indian industrialists are grabbing the land of the Kashmiris in the name of setting up industries. Mumbai-based Jindal Group has laid the foundations of its steel processing unit in the occupied territory. The steel processing unit being set up in Pulwama district of South Kashmir is the first such project set up after the abrogation of Article 370 and 35A in August 2019. The administration had granted 70 canals land to the JSW Steel. 2 persons died while 19 others sustained injuries in road accident today in Rajouri district of Jammu region. An official said the accident occurred when a bus plunged into a deep gorge in the district. Delhi court has convicted 4 innocent Kashmiris in a false case registered against them. The court convicted the Kashmiris naming Muhammad Shafi Shah, Talib Lali, Muzaffar Ahmad Tar and Mushtaq Ahmad Lone in a false case of money laundering. Chairman of Kashmir Council Europe Ali Raza Sayed has called upon the international community to put pressure on India to release world-renowned Kashmiri human rights defender Khurram Parvez and other Kashmiri human rights activists and Kashmiri political leaders, workers and journalists.